you are new here, welcome. My name is Cheri. I post new videos every week. Today I have a Bibbidi Bobbidi box unboxing. So I subscribed to Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes a while ago, probably about a year ago, and I got maybe 6 months worth of boxes. And I just wasn't thrilled with the items that I was receiving, and so I canceled. But in this time, I just felt like I needed magic in my life. And so I subscribed to kind of the 3 big boxes, if you will. Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes, Walt Life, and Magic at Your Door. I subscribed to all of them this month, so you'll see all 3 of the unboxing videos on my channel. But this is the final box that I received for May, so let's open it up and see what I got. This is the fantasy box. It is $59 plus shipping, so it came out to $66.49. So let's see what I got. All right, this is really, really cute. This is a little Ewok postcard. It says, happiness is a state of mind. It's just according to the way you're looking at things. And we love Ewoks. Ewoks are a very rare character, and we actually met Ewoks at the Hollywood Studios May the 4th be with you after hours. Not in 2020, but in 2019. So I love that. And then on the back, it says, got a sec, and it just says, you know, comment on Instagram, and it says this box was created by Becky. Oh, that's cute. This is the packing slip, the little spoiler alert, and it says, packing slip enclosed, and it has a little Chewy with Porgs. Oh my goodness, that is super, super cute. Kind of excited about that. And then here is the box. The pink tissue paper, super cute. Okay, a quick note about your box. This box has fewer items of higher value as opposed to more items of lesser value. We hope you love it. To change this option, please update your preferences. That was a preference that I made. Oh, wow. Okay, so I got a bath bomb, and it's from Basin. It smells good, but it smells really good, but I can't quite put my finger on the scent. The packing slip will probably say, this will definitely go to good use. I love these bath bombs, so I love that, and Basin just has the best products. Oh boy, okay, now I got an Alex and Ani bracelet, and this is Orange Bird, and I am obsessed with Orange Bird. I'm so excited about this one. I don't have this. This made my day. I have Orange Bird somewhere behind me, the little sipper. He's right here. There he is. And this is so cute. I'm so excited about this. Oh boy, okay, this I've had my eye on for so long. I'm so excited about this. This is a headband, and it has the Dole Whips on it, which I love, and I just have never pulled the trigger on this. I don't really know why. This is something maybe I'd wear it in the park, but it's more something I just kind of wear every day because it's just kind of a hint of Disney, and this is so cute. I love this. Okay, those are all the items in my box, and I'm okay with that because I do love the items that I got. So let's look at the packing slip. Okay, so the packing slip says the Pineapple Swirl headband is $13.99. The Alex and Ani bracelet is $49.95, and the Basin bath bomb is $5.99. So the retail value is $69.93, which about breaks even with what I paid for the box. However, I will tell you this. Well, I haven't had like my eye on the bath bomb, but I have purchased the Basin bath bombs before, so there's that. But all of the items that I received are things that I would actually purchase. I would have absolutely purchased the headband. I just hadn't yet. I hadn't seen it in the parks. It wasn't there the last time I was there, and the parks have been closed. And I haven't pulled the trigger on the Alex and Ani just because I don't know. If I was in the parks, I probably would have because I've had my eye on it. So I am thrilled with this box because it's stuff that I'm actually going to use, and I'm just really excited about it. So tell me in the comments below which of the items that I received is your favorite. If you have ordered a Bibbidi Bobbidi box, tell me. If you filmed a video of a Bibbidi Bobbidi box unboxing, drop the link in the comments below and I will watch your video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye!